Oh.
Anyway, go Brad.
Oh. Oh. What? Ah, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. Run. Faster. Give me. Ah, you hiding already, huh? Come here. Come. Hazel. Come.
Since last Sunday was the
Oi.
deadline.
Come here.
Discounted price.
Give me.
Today, per couple will now be 1,500. So it's
Ah.
loaded.
You want to play more?
And pay.
Would you like to play more?
After the service.
Give me.
Those of you who would like to join.
Give me.
This, but you are not here tonight. For more information, you can always contact us. Maybe message me if you would like.
Come here.
And then make
You
sure
want?
that.
Would you like to play more?
Your wife
Okay, let's
able
go.
to prepare.
Give me the chicken.
Okay, and for those of you that are Academy parents,
Would you like to play more?
Academy parents,
Okay, let's go.
Announcement
Okay,
for you.
let's go. Give me.
You have your child as part
No.
of our energy ball tomorrow. We will dismiss
Hoy.
early. So 2 o'clock, all levels will be dismissed.
See? He put back. He put down. Magdula ta? Gibutang man nimo na imuhang kuan. Chicken. So it means more. Magdula. Makigdula ka. Play more? Ha? Come here. He come nearer to me. It means he would like to play more. What? Okay? Magdula pa ka? Makigdula ka? Oh. Dahil kay siya dulaan dito, oh. Pero kiniya ra gyud ang iyahang kuan na pod, yang favorite. Chicken is his favorite. Every time this dog is will change the, change his toy every now and then. Right? He said, see, the TV. Would you like to play more? He guarded. Daday. Agoy. No. Come, faster. Run. Okay? More? Give me. Give me. Ready to jump.